So today we finished the 5-point star. Here's the 4-point star, 12 modules, and this is the 5-point star, which is 30 modules. And again, it's where other stuff starts happening. Always nice to know. Anyways, so 30 modules, this is 12, and this is 12 plus 6, that should be 30. So on camera, we're going to break these down and make that out of it. Let's undo that. And for this, we're going to break both of them all the way down, because it's better that way. And here, I'll just go fast. And so last time for the modules, we started with noticing there was for every 1 point, there's 3 modules. And to add to that, you add 2. So for every extra point over the first one, you have 2. So 3, and then another 2. You get 2 points, and then another 2 on the ins, and now we're going to choose a side like we did last time. And so for the 4-point one, right here we would have chose to terminate. So 1, 2, 3, and since we wanted 4 points, we wanted to stop there. We make 4 points. But this time instead, since we want 5, we're taking another 2. And we're adding it to the inside of that center. There's a center you can see. And so on the same term that we're going, we now have 4. And then we go ahead and close it. So 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. So there's an extra 2 in there. So an extra 2 modules between a 4-point center and a 5-point center. So here we have 5 points, and there we've started that 5-point ball. There's shortcuts. You can add whole modules. I'll do that here. You can add whole ones already. Since you have 2 and you need 3 more to finish 5, you're adding 1 with 1 on each side. So you can do things like 3, 2, 3, 1, 1. So it's just again on a way of showing what's called modern algebra or mod algebra. 1 mod 3, 2 mod 3. And here, so again, every time we see 4 points to a center, we're just gonna take these 2 flaps and close it, what I call terminating it. I believe there's a division between kusudama and modular origami. They should be the same thing, but one is the art, where it came from, which is medicine ball, and then the other is modular origami, which really refers to the modularity of paper folding and being assembled like this. And again, kusudama is traditional. The 4-point and 5-point star balls, as I refer to them, they've been around for a very long time. They used to take herbs and medicines and put them in them and send them home with them, and they were like potpourri, really. Anyways, this takes a lot longer, so that's why there's more talking. And again, I want you to just see that I'm always maintaining that there's 5 points. You can put 4 in places, but then you get this weird lopsided ball. And right now we're just teaching the basics, traditional kusudama. And we'll move on to modern day modular origami. It is modular origami. That's what I want to get across. That kusudama, traditional kusudama, is just one part of modular origami. It is the basis for it, but that gets it into arguments. So it should be very easy for you to start seeing things. And at the end of this, we'll have the last part of traditional Kusudama, and then we can move on to the chains and the links and the planes and the columns and all the things I've shown you guys before. This is really just being done for posterity. I'm just doing this to share my art now. So this should be available. There should be many people out there that sell books on modular origami. This is just one piece. That's what I'm calling my movement, the one piece movement. Because this is 30 modules, and you saw one thing being broken down and turned into another. And transformation is important. Transformation and integrity of the base unit. So if we're all base units and we're all individuals, maintaining the integrity of that base unit is kind of important. But there it is, ball. Common, everybody's seen them. There's a small one. Hope it was fun.